relation between social change, deviance, stress and health. What is meant by deviant behavior? Can you list examples of deviant behavior? What are the theories of deviant behavior? What are the relations between social change, deviance, stress and health? Going to learn. Overview. Deviant describes an action or behavior that violates social norms. Criminologist, psychiatrist, psychoanalyst and sociologist to study how these norms are created, how they change over time, how they are enforced. Deviant act can be committed in one society that breaks a social norms but may be normal for another society. Social change leads to deviant behavior and affect health status. Meaning: deviance, any behavior, belief or conditions that violate cultural norms. Definition: deviant behavior: actions or behavior that violate social norms. Deviance is an absence of conformity to these norms. Social norms differ from culture to culture. Examples of deviant behavior: crime, slavery, premarital relations, polygamy, adultery, corruption, child abuse, wife beating, mainly violation of human rights. Theories of deviant behavior. Biological theories focus on genetic predominance towards deviance. Theory of biological deviance, which states that some people are genetically predisposed to criminal behavior. Second, psychological theories focus on abnormalities in the individual personality. Example: personality disorders relates that behavior is brought about by inner tensions, inability to control one's impulses, and fail to structure one's behavior in an orderly way. Third one, sociological theories. This theory emphasizes on social factors which cause deviant behavior. No reason to internal factors within individuals. Focus on social influences. Example: socialization, subcultural membership, and social classes. Fourth one, social pathological theories. This theory emphasizes and explains that deviant behavior is caused by actual physical and mental illness, malfunctions or deformities cause social dysfunctions as well. Fifth one, functional theories. First, Emil Durkheim, functions of deviance. Deviance clarifies rules by punishing behavior. Deviance unites a group. Deviant act seen as an threat to group solidarity. Deviance promotes social change. Robert Morton's strain theory. It is also one of the functional theory. According to this theory, people feel strain when they are exposed to cultural goals that they are unable to obtain. These goals may be material possessions or money. When denied legitimate access to these goals. Fifth one, symbolic interactional theory. These theories including naturalization theory, control theory. These theories emphasize symbolic interactions, refers to the patterns of communications, interpretation and adjustment between individuals, leads to deviant behavior. Sixth one, conflict theory. Karl Marx, Michael Foucault, and other biological theories express about conflict. Conflict theory is based upon the view that the fundamental cause of crime are the social and economic forces operating within society. Conflict theory states that society are an organizational functions that each individual participant and its groups struggle to maximize their benefits. Deviant behaviors are actions that do not go along with the social institutions. Stress, a physical factor such as mental state, anxiety, that disturbs the body normal state of functioning. Stress may contribute to the development of some illness including heart diseases and cancer, etc. Process of social change versus health. Social change, unfavorable changes may lead to deviant behavior. Deviant behavior causes the stress. Stress leads to affect health status of individual, including physical health, mental health, as well as social well-being. Social change, deviance, stress versus health. Favorable social changes promote health status. Unfavorable changes leads to deviant behavior. Deviant behavior causes stress. Stress is cause root of all kinds of diseases which is directly affect health status of individuals. Thank you. Have a nice day.